Hello everybody. In this video I am going to show you a short little instruction about one nice feature, which is tilt to scroll. And how can you access this tilt to scroll and what does it do? So you can access tilt to scroll if your device supports it, meaning this is only supported by certain devices that have certain sensor, so you can access it from here. Tilt to scroll. Now it is enabled. What does it do? If you now tilt the phone, mobile phone, normally it is this sensor is only available in mobile phones, not necessarily in tablets, but in mobile phones it is normally. So if you now tilt the mobile phone screen, you see when I do like this, you see now it is starting to scroll. If I move back like this, it is stopping. If I now tilt more like this, you can get it scroll even faster. Like this. Okay, so normally it's working like this, that you first, when you want it to be stable, you move window a little bit, the text a little bit, then you just slightly tilt until it is your reading speed. And you can adjust it slightly like this. So this is a nice little feature that you can use to read text from Bible or other documents. So thank you for watching this video, and also always I will put a link in the description where you can support and Bible development financially. Thank you. Bye bye.